In the bright and colorful village of Sunny Meadows, where the houses looked like gingerbread cookies and the flowers sang in the breeze, lived Officer Leo. He wasn't just any police officer. He was the cheeriest, bounciest officer you'd ever meet, with a big heart and even bigger, funnier boots that squeaked with every step. One sunny morning, Officer Leo's day started not with a crime, but with a crisis. Mrs. Higgins, the town's best baker, ran to him, her face as pale as flour. "Officer Leo, my prize-winning super fluffy triple chocolate cake for the village fair is gone. Vanished." Officer Leo tipped his hat, a cake caper. "Don't you worry, Mrs. Higgins. I'm on the case." Ka! He pulled out his giant magnifying glass, which was so big it made his own nose look like a potato. His first clue: a trail of rainbow-colored sprinkles leading away from the bakery. Aha! Our thief has a sweet tooth and a colorful exit strategy, he declared, following the trail with a bounce in his step. The sprinkle trail led him straight to the park, where Timmy, little boy known for his love of all things sweet, was sitting under a slide. But wait, Timmy wasn't eating cake. He was crying. Officer Leo knelt down, his squeaky boots going silent. "What's wrong, little buddy?" he asked gently. Timmy sniffled, pointing a shaky finger. "My kite. It flew away. It was my favorite, with a long, sparkly tail." Officer Leo looked up. He saw the kite tangled high in the branches of the great oak tree. But next to it, something else caught his eye. Perched on a branch, nibbling on a huge slice of chocolate cake, was a mischievous squirrel with a party hat on. The squirrel had used the kite's sparkly tail to climb down, grab the cake, and climb back up for a treetop feast. Ah! And the sprinkles, they had fallen from his messy eating. Officer Leo chuckled. The mystery was solved. But now there were two problems: a stolen cake and a stuck kite. "This looks like a job for teamwork," he announced. He called over Farmer Giles, who brought his tallest ladder. Then, he got Mrs. Higgins, who had an idea. She baked a small, nutty muffin and placed it at the bottom of the tree. The smell was irresistible. The squirrel, seeing the tasty treat below, scurried down the tree, leaving the cake and kite behind. It grabbed the muffin and scampered off happily. Farmer Giles climbed the ladder and carefully untangled the kite, handing it back to a cheering Timmy. Officer Leo then climbed up and rescued the rest of the cake. It was a little nibbled, but still looked delicious. Back at the village fair, everyone heard the story of the cake-nabbing squirrel. They all had a good laugh. Mrs. Higgins wasn't mad at all. She cut up the rest of the cake and shared it with everyone, even giving Officer Leo the biggest piece. She said, "It's not about winning. It's about sharing and helping each other." Officer Leo smiled, his mouth full of cake. That day, he didn't just solve a crime. He helped a friend, recovered a lost kite, and brought the whole village together. He learned that even on the strangest of days, a little kindness and teamwork can solve any problem, no matter how big or small. Later that evening, as the sun set over Sunny Meadows, painting the sky in orange and purple, Officer Leo patrolled the quiet streets. His boots still squeaked, but now it sounded like a happy tune. He saw Timmy flying his kite with his dad. He saw Mrs. Higgins packing up her stand, humming a happy song. He realized that being a police officer wasn't just about stopping bad guys. It was about being a helper, a friend, and a part of the community. It was about making sure everyone felt safe and happy. He looked at the twinkling stars and made a promise to himself. He would always be there for the people of Sunny Meadows, ready to help with any problem, whether it was a missing cake or a lost kite. Because the most important part of his job was caring for others. And as he walked home, the squeak of his boots echoed through the village, a friendly reminder that Officer Leo was always on duty, keeping his beloved home safe and sound. So, remember kids, just like Officer Leo, you don't need a badge to be a hero. All it takes is a kind heart and a willingness to help others. Whether it's sharing your toys, helping a friend who's sad, or just offering a smile, you can make your own little corner of the world a brighter, happier place. That's the real secret to being a hero. Thanks for watching our story today. If you had fun with Officer Leo in Sunny Meadows, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more amazing adventures. We'll see you next time. Bye.